So it sets that to in position as true, but initially it sets it to false, just to initialize a variable. And this is where I think a lot of the learning comes in, for me at least, is it gives us what it actually is trying to do. And then, with your own skills, you can tweak it or ask it to change a little bit for you, which is super nice because if you are learning, at least it gives you a skeleton, right? But as you can see throughout this video, it's not quite perfect, and I've spent some time trying to build this, and I would say it probably saves some time at this point. But as I've mentioned multiple times before, like, I still think you need to know how to code. Right now, my goal is to build something that allows you to just put in the strategy like I did above, and then it spits out a perfect set of code. Now that's pretty ambitious project that I am working on. So that should be, probably here this year, or well, I guess it's the end of this year, 2023. And like I mentioned, I like to code with you and show you what I'm doing each day, show you where my mind's going, because I don't know everything. And if one word or idea helps you think of something that changes the game forever when it comes to algo trading, that's so worth it to me, because I'm still getting work done. I'm just working with you. And if you do appreciate that, just let me know below, or hit the like button. That always just signals to me that, hey, just keep building on YouTube instead of coding by yourself. Because either way, I'm spending multiple hours a day building new algorithms or updating my old ones. And this is some interesting technology that I just really wanted to share with you. I'm sure you've seen it already all over YouTube or Twitter, but there are some holes to it. And I just want to make those holes pretty apparent, because you've watched me build algorithms by hand if you've been around on the channel for a while now. And now you can see me using ChatGPT and see that it's not quite perfect yet. In an ideal world, it would be able to just write the exact code for me. Maybe it's my fault though, I didn't give it good enough instructions. Maybe if you want me to make another video of giving it even better instructions to see if it can spit it out perfectly, I've already started working on some templates that have helped improve this. So like template instructions, right, of how exactly to put in your trading strategy so it gets even closer. It's not 100% yet, but like I said, I'm constantly researching and trying to build on top of OpenAI, and my guess is that Google has something probably even better up their sleeves. I read a quick fact the other day that Facebook and Google have like 80% of the market when it comes to machine learning engineers and PhDs. So that's what's going to move this industry forward. Not necessarily that you need a PhD by any means to do this, but if they're just hiring everybody up, there's got to be a few really smart people in that group. So that's going to be interesting. I just want to be ahead of the game though, with all this machine learning AI stuff. As OpenAI and other companies release their models, you can always build on top of the models. So in the dream world, and it will come true someday for me, is I'm going to be able to put in text just like I showed you here, but instead of having to tweak all these things, it's going to spit out a perfect trading strategy that works without any edits. And that's where I'm going. So if you want to be part of the crew, jump in the Discord. There's a link for the camp below.